Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to buy Telegram stars with Ton Crypto. So first, you just have to go to any web browser, and then here what you're going to do is you have to look for Fragment. So you have to type it right here, and you have to click the very first link or fragment that you can see. So here is the fragment I'm talking about. You have to click this one, and this is the website or homepage of Fragment. As you can see, there are features here, and you see this Connect On. Okay, so as you can see, there is Connect On, there is this numbers and stars. So what you're going to do is you have to click stars, and we're going to buy Telegram stars. So first things first, what you're going to do after you tap the stars is you have to click this Connect On. So after you tap this connect on, there will be a notification down below. As you can see, connect your wallet. So this time, we're going to connect this to our Keeper. Okay, so do not click open wallet in Telegram, but instead, you have to click the Keeper below the open wallet in Telegram. And you have to make sure also that you have your Keeper application on that specific device or on your device. So once you tap this, then it will take you directly to this website. If you don't have your Timekeeper, so you can install via Google Play or APK or sign in with Timekeeper if you have your Timekeeper on your device. So this time I need to install my Timekeeper and then log in my account. So once I tap the sign in, then it will take me directly to my Timekeeper account. This is my Timekeeper account. And as you can see, connect to fragment.com. It will just connect, or it will just pop up automatically. So all you have to do is click connect wallet. It will ask for the passcode, and it will take you back to Fragment. Here you have to choose recipient. So enter Telegram address. Okay. As you can see, I'm logged in. This is my Timekeeper account. So this time, let's go to Telegram and copy our username. Or if you know your username, you just have to simply type it right here. So basically, this is my username here, my Telegram. This is my Telegram username. I need to copy this one, go back to Fragment, paste, and then scroll down, choose quantity of Telegram stars. So you have to choose the quantity here. Let's just say you want to buy 50 Telegram stars. Okay, so 50 Telegram stars, and you have to make sure that you have enough time funds in order for you to proceed with this transaction. So let me choose this one with the given amount of time that I need to pay in order to get this. So once done, what you're going to do next is you have to continue. If you want to click show more option, it's up to you. But once you're done here, then you can tap this buy 50 Telegram stars. Anyways, you can change your mind if you want. But for this time, for this tutorial, let me tap or buy 50 Telegram stars and then click this buy 50 Telegram stars. And then here it will show up your Telegram stars that you want to buy. So click this buy stars for Andy, which is my Telegram name, my username, or my Telegram account. So tap this one, and then it will just connect directly to your Timekeeper. That's why you have to make sure that you have enough balance to your Timekeeper. If not, then you must have your available balance here. So after that, as you can see, if you have your Timekeeper balance, then confirm the transaction in Timekeeper. And then once done, and then it will show up the result or the transaction when it is finished. So you will see it right here that you have purchased 50 stars or Telegram stars, and this is the equivalent ton minus because you have purchased this Telegram stars. Okay, so you can see that on the history. And if you go to your Timekeeper, then you will see it also recipient, fragment, recipient address, and then fee, and then comment. You have 50 Telegram stars. Okay, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.